Hello, my name is Michelle Armstrong. I am the New England Account Manager for Advion Interchim. Today I'll be introducing some ways for you to simplify your purification process and reaction monitoring, and a few ways to help improve your workflow. For those of you who did not know, Interchim is combining with Advion. We have been partnered for many years providing mass-triggered purification systems, but now we have more helpful tools that I'll be able to introduce to you today. The Advion Mass Spec is a compact benchtop unit that allows for real-time reaction monitoring with many sample introduction options. Our compact benchtop Mass Spec gives you the flexibility to use the system for many applications. Today I'll be touching upon reaction monitoring using several rapid injection techniques, along with the TLC plate reader and mass-triggered purification. The first one I'd like to tell you about is the atmospheric solid analysis probe. The ASAP probe allows you to have the direct analysis of a sample in less than 15 seconds without any sample prep. The closed end of a glass capillary is dipped into the sample of interest, or scraped on a solid surface, and then placed directly into the CMS for analysis. This is ideal for reaction monitoring and also for rapid confirmation of flash fractions. This brief video gives you an idea of how this works.
Direct analysis of liquids and solids using the expression compact mass spectrometer. Begin by dipping the closed end of a glass capillary into your reaction mixture. Wipe excess using a Kim wipe and insert the probe into the ASAP-enabled APCI source. Initiate the mass spectrometer using the Mass Express software and obtain results in as little as 30 seconds.
In this example, we are dipping the ASAP probe in the reaction mixture at various time points. We are studying the intensity of the product ion mass over time to determine and monitor the progress of the reaction. Next is an application for reaction monitoring applied to flow chemistry. The CMS can be interfaced to flow chemistry installations. The various inputs and outputs can communicate and control other modules in your flow chemistry setup. The peak detection software can trigger collection or other events in your process. Here is an example of a custom flow setup. It may look a little like a Frankenstein system, but it gets the job done. In this example, we are using selected ion monitoring of the reactant, the catalyst, and product masses at the same time. This is an example of the CMS being used to monitor reactions and flow. This was done by the Jensen lab at MIT. The next technique for reaction monitoring is with the Plate Express, TLC plate reader. Here we show a technique to obtain masses directly from a TLC plate in 30 seconds. The mechanism of action is liquid extraction. The TLC plate is inserted to the mass plate reader. The head lowers and makes contact with the TLC spot, and the solvent extracts the spot and elutes it directly into the mass spectrometer. This is how compact it really is. It is straightforward and easy to use. Here's a quick video to show you how it works.
Direct mass analysis of TLC plates using the Plate Express plate reader coupled with the expression compact mass spectrometer. The green light indicates the instrument is ready for use. Begin by placing the TLC plate onto the stage. Align the spot of interest below the red dot. Begin by depressing the blue button. The head will lower and the blue indicator light will flash. Results are displayed in the Mass Express software. When complete, stop the analysis by pressing the blue button again. The instrument will raise the head, and the head will be purged of dust particulates with a burst of nitrogen. The light will turn green, indicating ready for another analysis.
The last technique that I will touch upon today is the mass-triggered purification system. Speaking of easy to use, that brings us to the option of having a mass-triggered purification system. You can trigger collection up to 4 masses, FIA to verify your target mass, and then automatically program your purification method. It also only takes up about 5 feet of bench space. For this particular sample, we are going through 3 detectors: UV, ELSD, and mass spec. So if you don't see it, it might not be there. This shows you the synchronization of signals of those 3 detectors. This is achieved through fluidics, so there's no software delay. Because of this, we are able to get greater than 95% recovery. Pictured here is our Prep HPLC system. We can also interface this with our flash systems as well. We have a wide range of purification systems, whether it be for small or large scale, flash, or Prep HPLC. Our main flash system is the extra small 520 system. It's 20 bar and 300 mils a minute. We also have a 535 system that has higher pressure and higher flow rates. Just to show you our versatility, we also have options for process development teams and scale-up projects. All of our purification systems have the feature of the TLC to method development. You simply take a picture of your TLC plate with your smartphone or tablet, and then it will send an optimized method to the system. We will have the HPLC to flash method available in the near future as well. This brings us to the streamlining of your workflow using the combination of the techniques I mentioned earlier. By first using the TLC plate reader, you are able to obtain your masses in less than 30 seconds. Then take a picture of that same plate with your smartphone and then Bluetooth it to your flash system. It will create and run an ideal method based on that TLC plate. Then once your run is complete, you can use the ASAP probe and dip it directly into your fraction of interest and get confirmation within seconds. Now you don't have to wait in the sample queue for the LCMS. Additional tools would be the various bonded phases we offer and the corresponding TLC plates. We have the widest range of column chemistries available in Flash and Prep HPLC columns. Flash columns are available in 50, 25, and most importantly, 15 micron. So in summary, one CMS can be combined with a purification system, TLC plate reader, UHPLC system, and there is no replumbing necessary when you switch between techniques. This gives you the flexibility and ease of use, with the goal of saving you time and making your workflow a little bit smoother and more efficient. Thank you for your attention. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.